Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your rewards balance and making sure your Google Pay app is updated. Open Payments, then Rewards to view the amount. Next, verify a linked bank account or eligible debit card. This is required to receive cash. If your card isn't verified, add it and complete the small deposit or OTP step now so transfers aren't blocked. Once done, note any minimum transfer thresholds and the expected transfer time to plan the next step. Now you'll convert rewards into cash by choosing Redeem or Transfer inside Rewards. Pick Bank Transfer as the destination. Select the verified account you prepared, type the exact amount to move, and carefully review any fees, minimums, or limits so you avoid errors. Authenticate the action using your PIN, fingerprint, or two-factor authentication to authorize the payout. Once confirmed, the app will show a pending status and an estimated arrival window. Keep the app open to track this progress. Finish by verifying the deposit has arrived in your bank, open your account, and match the exact amount and timestamp shown in Google Pay. If funds don't appear by the expected time, double-check the destination account number and routing, then retry the transfer or contact Google Pay support with the transaction ID. Make sure to keep screenshots and timestamps to expedite any dispute. If repeated failures occur, temporarily switch to a different linked account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.